Hey guys, I'm Nandini pursuing BTech and I'm here to share my experiences studying in Sangam University. Professors here are very experienced and they make learning more fun. Throughout the year, various activities like debates, inter-college competitions and other co-curricular activities are organized which helped me in improving my communication skills and boosted my confidence. I also got an opportunity to be a part of the team participating in student management games organized by IMA in Panipat to represent my college. Even this year, we organized a grand Jugaad Mela where students from many universities displayed their Jugaads or inventions. Seminars and workshops organized in the campus helped me in improving my academics and enhanced my career choices. Being a part of NSS, I've also enjoyed participating in various environmental and social awareness activities. This is all about my experience. I enjoyed my first year in Sangam University and I'm hoping for more to come and to make more memories.